Lesson 3 of Learn Your Scales and Arpeggios for Clarinet is about minor keys. This tutorial video is designed to accompany the worksheet which you have downloaded from planzmusic.com. It is important that you follow all the instructions on this worksheet, as this video will not cover all that is required by itself. It explains how the 12 minor keys are related to the 12 major keys. If you are uncertain about how key signatures work, there is a worksheet available from the website explaining this. Basically, every major key has a relative minor which shares its key signature. If we take C major, the relative minor is based on the 6th step of the major scale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 takes us to A. Let's take the A down here. So here is A minor, same notes as C major, until we get to the 7th step, which is going to be sharpened. It becomes a G sharp. So we raise the 7th step in minor scales. Here's the scale of A minor. Exercise 3 helps you with the finger movement in this part of the scale, which can be a bit awkward. It's important to use the correct part of the left-hand index finger to connect with the G sharp and A keys. Here is the scale of A minor. Exercise 4 helps you to develop a smooth movement from E to A for the arpeggio. The end of your left-hand index finger covers the whole, but as you saw in the scale, a different part further up the finger connects with the key. Here is the arpeggio of A minor. Practice Plan 3 contains work on the new scale and arpeggio, as well as routine drilling of the scales and arpeggios of F and G majors. Be sure to do exactly what it says and don't cut corners. Remember to tick the boxes as you go.